x by secant x plus tan x whole power 5 dx. All of you listen. All of you listen. Integral c secant x plus tan x equal to t. Derivative of secant x into tan x. Derivative of tan x secant square x dx equal to dt. Take secant x common. Tan x plus secant x dx equal to dt. This is given t. Secant x dx equal to dt by t. All of you listen. Take secant x common. Tan x plus secant x. Let it be t. So secant x dx equal to dt by t. Okay. So 1 secant x dx becomes to dt by t. There is another secant x. All of you listen. Secant x by secant x plus tan x secant x dx. This is a t power 5. This is a dt by t. So express secant x value in terms of small t. That is the important in this problem. Plus tan x equal to t. So it's reciprocal. Secant x minus tan x equal to 1 by t. Adding these two secant x equal to t plus 1 by t. So t square. So secant x equal to 1 by 2 into t plus 1 by t. We apply this value in this place. Write down secant x plus tan x equal to t. Next, plus secant square x dx equal to dt. Take secant x common. Tan x plus secant x. Next, bit number 30. Bit number 30. Integral cos x plus x sin x by x into x plus cos x into x plus cos x dx. Add plus x and minus x in the numerator. add plus x minus x in the numerator, cos x plus x sin x minus x plus x by x into x plus cos x dx. మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తేనే ఈ ఐడియాస్ అన్ని వచ్చేది. మేమంటే ప్రశాంత్తో చెప్తున్నాం కాబట్టి ఓకే, మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తేనే ఈ ఐడియాస్ గుర్తుండేది. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయకపోతే ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ డెవలప్ అవ్వదు, అది మాత్రం గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. నెక్స్ట్, టేక్ దీస్ టు వన్ సైడ్, టేక్ minus x common, so x plus cos x, take minus x common, take minus x common, 1 minus sin x, 1 minus sin x by x into x plus cos x dx. Split into two parts, x plus cos x by x into x plus cos x. This is first one. Integral of 1 by x log mod x minus x into x into 1 minus sin x by x into x plus x into x plus cos x dx. X cancel. See on the board, derivative of x equal to 1. Derivative of cos x equal to minus sin x. So this is f of x, this is f dash x. F dash x by fx equal to log mod fx. So this is f dash, this is f of x. So integral of 1 by x log mod x minus f dash x by fx log mod fx plus c log mod f of x plus c. This is m, this is n. Log m minus log n equal log m by n. Log of x by x plus cos x. Log m minus log n. Log m by n. Log m by n. Number 31. Integral cos x minus sin x by under root x minus 8 minus sin 2x dx. See the options. In all options, sin x plus cos x, sin x plus cos x, sin x plus cos x. So all of you listen. Sin x plus cos x equal to t. Derivative of sin x cos x. Derivative of cos x minus sin x whole dx equal to dt. This one becomes to dt. So there is the sin 2a. So squaring on both sides, sin x plus cos x whole square equal to 0. Sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x equal to t square. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal 1. 2 sin a cos a sin 2a. So sin 2x value is t square minus 1. So we apply in this place t square minus 1. This becomes to dt. Write down sin x plus cos x equal to t. Cos x minus sin x whole dx equal to dt. Next, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. This becomes to dt 1 by under root 8 minus of sin 2x value t square minus 1. This is dt. dt multiply with minus. Multiply with minus 1 by under root 8 minus t square plus 1 dt under root 9 minus t square dt 3 square minus t square dt sin inverse t by 3 sin inverse 1 by under root a square minus x square form sin inverse x by a. So sin inverse where t value sin x plus cos x by 3 by 3